My camera's on 4%, so you better stay in, lock in. If you're trying to look kind of all dolled up and glam, try to glam yourself up, this is the video. I'm gonna show you. You're down for that? Keep watching, booty. Keep watching, boogie. Okay, bye. The reason why I'm also glamming up is because we're gonna be going out to do some editing at a coffee shop. So to address the elephant in the room, Miss TT girl is going on her hiatus right now indefinitely, and that comes along with the editing software that is attached with the same company. So TT and CP is going on their hiatus moment. I'm a little heartbroken. Sometimes you can't have nice things in life. All you gotta do is learn how to adapt and grow. So I'm tapping in and learning a new editing software called DaVinci Resolve. And I've also been on Jiao Hongshu, and I think I butchered that really badly. I've been getting some makeup inspo and getting kind of inspired. It reminds me way back when TT was in its debut era. Honestly, a lot of people just post for fun, and I miss that. And it reminded me like, oh my god, I used to love just recording content and shit posting. But we're gonna first do my first important step. So if you can answer this, I hope you do. What's the most important step when it comes to doing a makeup X, Y, and Z routine? If you said skincare and washing your face up, yes, you were so right. So that is what we're gonna do. As always, I'm gonna go in with my toner that I use. I have a top I might want to wear today, but I low-key don't like this brown showing, so I might take off my tank top and just wear this one. I'm also gonna be visiting my friend next week. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm gonna be also vlogging too. I low-key just wanna show up for my friend. I'm so excited because I haven't seen my friend in a hot minute. Next, we're gonna go in with my favorite essence that I'm using so far. Now we're gonna go in with my serum, which is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a serum that's really easy to layer because since it provides hydration. I focus on my T-zone and like the apple of my cheek. After that, we're gonna go in with my other serum. So since I shaved my face today, we shaved right here, and then we shaved right here around my chin, and then right here on my cheek. We're gonna go in with the Circle Repair. It just adds in that healing treatment that your face needs. Next, since on top of moisturizing and healing, we're gonna go in with the Circle Repair Moisture Cream and then my Hero Rescue Balm. That little mixture, and I mix it all together. As you can tell, it's a 1:1 ratio. I mix it. After that, we're gonna go in with Viral Hydra Solution Moisture Cream from Dr. Jart. What I like about this is that it's so heavily impacted with moisture. For my primers, we're gonna use two different types of primers. We're gonna be using the Circle Repair Mask Treatment Primer or the Tigress Color Correcting Treatments. And then we're also gonna go in with the L'Oreal Prime Lab. After that, now we're gonna go in and prime our face with this one. What this does is kind of evens out your skin tone, so if your skin is more so on the red side, a little bit there, a little bit here, here. I go in with the Tier 29N Foundation, Cushion Foundation, squeezing it out. Do this. As a way to kind of pat it in. We're gonna go ahead and do this, pat that in. Okay, I just sprayed my face with the NYX Matte Finish Matte. So we're gonna let that air dry. And then for my T-zone, this one, or not really my T-zone, but like my cheeks right here, and then right here, I went ahead and left it kind of like as the compact, but like right here on the sides, right here. Just to like really focus on that glow, I went with the Sephora collection in my shade, a powder foundation, so I layer it on to kind of set that in. First thing I'm doing is I'm going to be doing some contour, so we're going to add some depth back to her face. This one is the Sephora collection light to medium shade, which is 02. Now I'm going to go ahead and just add one right here, kind of like slim our face. Go ahead, blend that in. That's all I gotta say. Hydromaniacs liquid blush right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right here, and then probably I should contour. Okay, I'm trying to see how the contouring looks. Low-key, I'm not liking it. I feel it looks kind of perfect. This is the best what we could do for contour. I don't know how to contour, but that's the best. Next, we're gonna go ahead and massage it in. Whoa, that looks so bright. Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna take this and brush it this way. This is the look. How does it look, y'all? Let me know. Let me know if you like it. I hope you do. I'm starting to like it. Kind of low-key. Very cutesy, very hoochie meme. I like it. If I had a little chapstick, let me go ahead and do that. Also, my freaking camera's about to die. It's on 6%. The mug giving, RB giving today, let me know. If you liked it, let me know. This is the final look. Anyways, toodles. Bye. See you in the next video. Okay, bye. My camera's gonna die. It's on 4%. Bye. Mwah.